Hey guys, it's time for the Erin Condren Spring 2021 Surprise Box unboxing. I am so excited to share this with you. I have opened the box and I've seen a couple spoilers, but I really have just been so busy I haven't paid a whole lot of attention. So this is going to be a surprise for me as it is for you. So the outside of the box, colorful mid-century circles design. Inside it says, "Somewhere over the rainbow is a new beginning waiting for you." So that is really pretty. It's sort of a lilac color. And inside there is now like a little flyer that has all the descriptions of what's inside. So I'm going to put that here and go through things one at a time. So let's see. The first thing I come to is this. It's a journal. It's a daily focus journal with it's 3 months of daily intention journaling with weekly reflections, 3 tab sections, note pages, and reflection pages. It's an A5 size, which is, like I said, smaller than the typical life planner, and it's a new size that Erin Condren just introduced. I really like it. It's more compact, and I feel like it will take less space up on your desk, and I really like this. And it has a gold coil, which is nice because usually that's an extra charge. So inside, let's see how to use this journal, so you know what you want to focus on, and then sort of what brought you joy. Oh, this is really cute. So just a way to focus on your week, get intentional. Perfect. I love that. And then at the end there's a few note pages. So that is the A5 Daily Focus Journal. And that, do I know if it's an exclusive? That is an exclusive to the box. So, and it has a value of $20. Next is this mesh tote. And the mesh tote is an exclusive to the box, and it's $16 value. And let's open this up. Here we go. Look at that. That is very cute. I could see this for going to the beach in the summertime. Let's get that out. It's kind of doesn't have a lot of structure to it, so you could use it as a shopping bag to carry a few groceries around, or, you know, definitely beachy. I'm getting the beachy vibe. So that is the mesh tote, which is exclusive to this bag, to this box. It's very cute. Then we have this what are these? This is a sunglasses and mask chain, and it's exclusive to the box, and it has a value of $16. And it is very pretty. I don't usually use a sunglass chain, but a mask chain is definitely an interesting idea, especially, you know, if you work in an office environment or even for teachers. Look at that. Oh, the stones are so pretty. They're like, it's like got a nice heft to it. And it's got the Erin Condren sort of a charm, but it's built right into the chain of it. And then you have the like silicone loops for your sunglass temples. And for a mask, I'm not sure how you get a mask on there, but I guess you would clip it. You wouldn't use these, and you'd use these because they're like lobster claws. So you'd probably just use the lobster claw. You can take these off and use the lobster claw onto your elastics for your mask. So that's a really cute idea. I like that. Then there are these fine tip markers, and I don't know if you noticed, but Erin Condren just introduced fine tip markers, or are they extra fine tip? I don't know what they call them. They're fine tip. But if you've had the other Erin Condren dual tip markers, one end is sort of a fine tip and the other end is a broader tip. This is actually even more fine tipped than the dual tip marker. So these are really nice for writing because your words stay small. You don't end up taking a whole lot of space with them. And in this pack, they have a green, a purple, and sort of a magenta, which are really pretty in gemstone colors. And this has a value of not $9.50. And these are exclusive colors to the box, so that's kind of special too. So they're not being sold. Then there is this watercolor sticker pack, and that's an exclusive to the box for $9. And so there's, I guess, 2 sheets. And those are pretty for your planning and labeling things, so I like those a lot. Always like stickers. And then there is this vegan leather mini monthly adhesive tabs. So you can attach them to your pages that don't have the tabs. Like if you have a softbound planner, you could definitely add these into your softbound planner. These are sort of that peacock color. So there are some planners with the peacock colored cover, so this would match those really nicely. So if you have that, then you could use these on one of those. And then I guess the last thing in the box is a daily planning notepad. And this is also about a 5x7, I want to say. It's a sneak peek, so it will be available on the website, and it is $10. So let me grab this book out and let's see how it compares. And there, yeah, it's about the A5 5x7 size. So really cute. I like this. You can just write your to-do list, your top 3, a little dot grid area, and then a little place here for notes. So definitely cute. Definitely a nice box. Overall, I do like it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Nina Nandagopal. You can find me at almostpractical.com, where I do a lot of Erin Condren reviews, and I talk about organizing and productivity and products I like and all that kind of good stuff. So come visit me on my website, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today.